Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Sorry. Welcome back to the KSwayy gang channel. And we're back with another video. Mama voice. Just got up. Anyways, we are getting ready. Today is beach day. All the kids getting ready. Finna pick out bathing suits. We're gonna eat brunch. Look at these twins, y'all. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Move. What are y'all doing? Taking pictures? Messing with stuff you aren't supposed to be messing with? Alright, so we finna go get
wait.
Right here. We finna go get breakfast and head to the beach. We're gonna stay at the beach for about a couple of hours.
11 hours?
No, we're not.
1 hour.
No, I'm not.
1 hour.
I ain't going down there to get crispy. So yeah, we're gonna go to the beach for a couple of hours. And then we're gonna go to the pool, hopefully. But I got other stuff to do too. We're gonna just find whatever we can get ourselves into. I know tonight we are going to now remember I got that thing, Earl.
No, just at the edge. I got to get the rest that's up in there.
Oh, okay. Okay. And we're going to a restaurant tonight. We're going to eat seafood. We're going to find a seafood place somewhere. But yeah. Right now we're just getting dressed. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos. I know it's not a lot of footage because I'm a mother of 8, and y'all, I be busy. I be pulling out my camera when I can. So just enjoy the footage that y'all getting. And like, comment, and subscribe. We are getting our numbers on up there. We got a few subscribers in Florida. Hey y'all. Hey, y'all remember me. Y'all remember me and my crew. They be like, oh my God, you're a mother. I can't believe you're the mother. I would think that you're the sister. And I be like, no, these are my chaps. And then I tell them, Earl will be like, we got a YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe. It's like he be bullying them. I'm just playing. They be like, they be excited to see us and all that kind of stuff. But I'm about to get off. I gotta get these chaps ready. As you can see, they calling my name. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Y'all, this is my bathing suit of the day.
Let me let her do her thing.
No. Yeah, they be fighting now. Look.
Let's go, Chloe.
Got it on camera.
Where are we going? KaMaya's still getting dressed.
So yeah, I got this bathing suit from Walmart. Y'all, I'm telling y'all better start shopping at Wally World. Anyways, this is a size medium. It comes from Walmart. It got the black and white side. I have this right here to put on when we get to the beach. It's some little pants.
Y'all, we have arrived at the place we are eating dinner. This is called Maple Street. Ooh, it smells good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's called Maple Street.
Alright guys, we are at this restaurant.
Oh, here we go. Brittany, this is the little kids right here.
Okay.
To a concert, who would you want to see?
Oh my
You guys,
God.
Cardi B. I'm gonna give my answer. And just, how you guys?
I would go see It's Tupac's hologram.
Oh yeah, Tupac's hologram. Perfect. There you go, make sure it's
No.
I love that. It's too late.
That's my baby.
Tupac's hologram, and I'm still gonna be the thirstiest I would be if he was standing right in front of me. All right, y'all.
Hey. We are in the car waiting, guys. I gotta start being more live. I ain't live in my videos.
It's alright, baby. You get live. They know who you is. It just, right now, it's been a couple things we done had going on. So, other than that, y'all know Brittany. She can get live when she wants to.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, the
It
kids.
really ain't no dull moment with us.
It's
really
not,
the
but
kids,
it's just the kids. Yeah. They been hard-headed. Don't put him back in the sleep.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone.
Baby, I about damn choked down that motherfucker. Them boys like, God damn. Cause I was talking to this dude at the desk at first. I said I was smoking my cigarette. He had said, "What's up, dog?" He said something about my shoe. He said, "Man, I ain't seen them shits down here like that." So I just said, I said, "Yeah, man." I said, "Shit, my girl got me these shits, my nigga." I said, "Man, I back up where I stayed in South Carolina, so I'm smoking a cigarette outside."
Baby.
And I knew it was something. And so when I was sitting there by the
Baby, get it out.
Listen, by the fucking trash can, right? I'm smoking a cigarette. That nigga come out the door. He had told. He said, "I'm glad." I heard him. I heard the voice. He said, "I'm glad." At a time like that, his security was right there and shit. I looked. I said, what's happening, my nigga? I said, I salute your ass, nigga. Like that, he was like, he said, yeah, real nigga. Real nigga. And he got in the car. I said, oh man, I couldn't believe that shit.
So you just seen Jeezy.
No, I put that on everything. When he was looking at me, you know what I mean? I'm just sitting there. And he's looking at me, he's like, he's a real nigga. Real nigga. Cause I said, I salute you, nigga.
You lied.
I put that on everything.
I know you seen him cause you tripped.
I said, man.
Hold on, I gotta go tell KaMaya.
He out of here just like that. That nigga did got in that shit a sprinter, my nigga, and him. Check it.
Earl
I
just saw Jeezy.
Listen, y'all, I was out there smoking a cigarette.
Who's Jeezy?
Jeezy.
G-Eazy?
The dude was talking to me
Jeezy. You
about my
know
shoes.
Jeezy, KaMaya?
Yeah.
Who's Jeezy?
Play a goddamn song.
Jeezy.
You know Jeezy got he just married that girl Jenny.
Jeezy.
Okay, what?
The one that was doing
had the thing against Gucci,
Gucci
Man.
Man.
Okay.
I'm just telling you.
You
Daddy,
see him?
yes, Daddy
Man,
just
he came
saw
out the goddamn
him.
back.
Bed lights off.
No,
No, like
like the bed door is big.
no. Earl came in the room. He threw the key and everything.
The car they hauled ass. I said, man, I'm looking at them boys. They were like, oh man, I know you can't believe this shit happened like this every day. I said, man, hell no. I said, I ain't never been around no damn body like that.
Damn,
man. And I'm looking, y'all, after it was
Daddy
over.
excited.
After it over, I'm looking at myself. I said, man, I'm glad he seen me like this. I said, I swear to God. Them boys like, hell yeah. What you call yourself? I said, Irv Gotti. And I just, I came on up with that. I was gone. I ain't telling my real name or nothing. I said, Irv Gotti. And I came, man.
Y'all, Earl ain't never see. I seen Jeezy back in 05. No, it wasn't
This about to
05.
top it off. This was
07.
The dude, you was coming out the door with the other dude that was talking to. I said, my name Irv Gotti. He said, hey man, that nigga said his name Irv Gotti. He said, I'm about to Google that nigga. You know Irv Gotti does. Man, I kept walking.
I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benzo, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay.